Alrighty, so working on the e93, trying to figure out the rough idle. Got a pretty collapsed and torn hose here. Gonna have to fix that. That might be an issue, maybe, but it still needs to be fixed. Then I found here we got the same situation on the back side of this. That might be an issue. I'm really hoping that's the issue. It might be, because this is just sucking hot air from the engine. If I can get it lower into there, that'd be cool, maybe. And then make some sort of skirt to keep the heat out. Oh, what would be cool is to get it into the ducting for this alternator. Then we'd have like a ram air system. That'd be pretty cool. Oh yeah, look there. There's the hole right there for the ram air. So, something to think about. But before that, we gotta make this B-arch run smooth, which I'm gonna hope that's my issue. There's a lot of electrical tape here. I'm not gonna say I wouldn't do the same. And I'm not gonna say that's not how I'm gonna fix it. I might just fix it. Well, you'll see. Anyways. Positive terminal on top of that engine. That's pretty cool. Yeah, get out of here, B. Get. Get. So we'll have to fix this line because that is just collapsed. It's flat. Flat lines are never good. Seems like it'd be a little oil leak here somewhere. Fix that. Ah, get out of here, B. Oh my god. Jeez. Anyways, what other lines are here that we can squeeze and pull on? Seems to be good. That's alright. That's alright. The idle air control valve's in there somewheres. So I'm really hoping this is hooked to it. And that's our issue. Just, you know what? Just, there. Now it is an issue. Oh, I shouldn't have did that. Oh well, too late now. So I'll fix that somehow, and then we will start the car, and it probably won't do nothing. Worth a shot though. Alright, we'll get back to it once I get that fixed, and then we'll tackle the wipers for whatever reason. Well, I need those, but just, you know, I'm really hoping that fixes it. Please, 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 because I just love this thing. Like, wasn't much one for Europeans, but this, it's a little older. I think that's why I like it, because it's older. It's 90s, 97, just, and it's so clean. It really needs a good washing. Too much pollen in my area. Way too much pollen. God. Anywho's, we'll see where this goes. Alright, so what I'm thinking here is, I just pulled off all this electrical tape. I'm gonna slam that off. I'm either gonna cut it. Let's just do it now. Stop talking about it. gonna stop making those noises. God. Oops. The fudge. You son of a... Yeah, you see what I'm dealing with here? There you go. So there's still tape. Focus. What in... Keeps focusing on the background. I don't know. Anyways. God. Die. Die. I mean, come off. Oh. You little Dickens. Who knows what else I'm cutting. Okay, so that just seemed to be all electrical tape. Oh wait, no, there's rubber there. Alright, cool. As I say, it's impressive. More electrical tape? Where does that go? Oh, that goes to the top. Okay, I'll just deal with that after. What? There is something there. What? What is that noise? I wish this just could... There we go. Is it... Can you see anything? I think so. Alright. A little screwdriver in here. It seems to be glued? I don't know. Yes! Victory! Why? That's barbed. Why was all that tape even used? Oh, I don't know. But what we're going to try to do is just... I'm going to spit on it, and I'm going to... Oh, I just spit on my hand. Alright, try... Just... Boom! Installed. You just witnessed it. Oh, I wonder if that fixed it. That would be amazing. Let's try to start it. Oh, I don't have my keys. Hold on. Okay, got the keys. Oh, I'm hoping. Oh, that better. Oh, that fixed it. I'm gonna be laughing. Then I just have electrical issues, which is just as fun. Let me back this up. There we go. Oh, right, the battery. Well, I'm gonna go make some lunch. Throw a battery charger on the battery. Oh, don't start clicking. Don't start clicking. Stop it. Why? Anyways, like I said, I'll put a battery, charger on the battery. I'm gonna make some lunch. And then we'll get back to this little beauty. Stop clicking. Wow. Alright. Second day. I didn't get back out. I did try starting it. It didn't fix it, sadly. I already know it's going to need a boost, so let's do this. I'm going to do the brake line on this and heater box real soon, so wait for a video on that. Ends aren't touching. That's good. Drop it. Alright. Just show. I watched the video. Things are happening. So it didn't work, but I watched. If I get a bad mass airflow sensor on this, I can unplug it, start it, and if it idles and runs, then I got a bad mass airflow sensor. Oh, at least that went to the bottom. That's good. So here's the mass airflow. Unplug it. Now we're going to start it, and it's going to idle, because that's what's wrong with it, most likely. I still didn't get the scanner, so. And look at that, idling. Mass airflow sensor's bad. Beautiful. My foot is not on the gas. Awesome. Okay, so maybe I'll try cleaning the mass airflow sensor. I get some MAF cleaner. But that's awesome. One problem down. More to go, I guess. Oh, I can't believe it's idling and cold. That's awesome. So, you can see here, unplugged. Maybe she's just dirty. Like I said, I'll try cleaning it. If I don't do it, then I'll have to get a new one. Easy as that. Well, I guess that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Wow, I am just tickled pink. That is great. Like, I'm glad I didn't have to clean the valve, whatever, idle air control valve. That's under the intake. Seen lots of videos that people have cleaned those and it still didn't fix the problem, so bring it on. Whew. Alright, so new mass airflow, needs oil change and filter. Yeah, this is starting to really come together.